UP-THD sense. This is your upper thread sensor function. This function is used to determine how many stitches need to be sewn in order for it to determine that there is a thread break or a bobbin run out. The reason we would change the sensitivity on this would be sometimes the machine does not pick up the fact that there's a thread break. In that particular situation, we would want to increase the sensitivity by going to a lower number, a smaller number. If we needed to decrease the sensitivity, we would use a higher number. In order to change the sensitivity on the upper thread sensor, we move the cursor using the up-down button next to where it says UP-THD sense and then press the set button. The range on this is from 0 to 10, 0 being the most sensitive, 10 being the least sensitive. Normally this is set in the range of from 1 to 3. I'm going to set this at a fairly sensitive setting of 2 by pressing 2 on the keypad, then pressing the set button. This function should not be changed unless the sensor is not working for any reason. If the machine is running properly, this function should not have to be adjusted.